Welcome to Software Design. I want to teach you how to remove write-up from a design. Maybe someone has or a picture, basically. So from here, go to File here, click on Open, locate the design you want to remove, and let's say this wedding jota design. Click on Open. This is it. From here, we want to remove this write-up, for instance, and the tool we'll be using here is called content aware move tool, and this content aware tool is very lucrative. You click on the content aware tool, click on it, select before then, undo, click on this selection tool, come and select it first. From here, come to content aware tool, click on it, and then move it to the other side, drag it down, then click on this mark tool. It has already gone. Then press backspace for your keyboard and then OK. And then you are good to go. The same thing applies here. Come to this select this which you want to remove. Go back to content aware, click on it, move it to the other side, and then reduce it. Mark this, it's gone. Press backspace and OK, and you are good to go. Thank you, and subscribe for more updates.